Hello friends, in this video series of learning how to create backlinks for your own website or for clients. So here in this video I will teach you how to make image submission. First of all, you can copy this keyword because we are using this. Here this is the right option. In your story you can add image here. I am using this image because it is relevant to our keyword. Copy some information about our keyword, pasting here. Copying our main keyword, copying our website backlink, selecting it, add backlink, publish. It is published, so we can also see this backlink in incognito mode. So paste here. Here you can see this is the backlink of our website. Coming on main, copying this address and pasting in front of it because image submission has been successfully made. You can also use facebook.com to create image submission. What's in your mind? We will come into media, add image. What is in your mind? Here we will use naked keyword. Post it. Cancel it. I will refresh it because sometime there is glitch on Facebook. Here I think there is some issue while uploading, so I try on another site. Here you can see our image submission backlink has been successfully made. It is our image and it is our website backlink. So I will copy this address and paste in front of it. That is how you can create image submission backlinks. I hope you have learned very well. If you have any question about it, you can ask me.